Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for tuning in. Solve without using a calculator. 8 to the power of 6 times 5 to the power of 5. We are supposed to solve without using a calculator. So 8 and 5 are our bases. 6 and 5 are our powers. 6 and 5, they have a relation. So because 5 is our smallest here, I'm going to write 5 plus 1. So 8 to the power of 5 plus 1, it's just 8 power 6 times 5 to the power of 5. Yeah. So my next step, if you can remember this rule or this formula, m plus n is the same as m multiplied by n. So this is a formula that you should memorize. A here it's our 8, m here it's our 5, n here is our 1. You can write it as m to the power of m times a to the power of n. So let me write it, 8 to the power of 5 times 8 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 5. So I've applied this law. The next step, I'll write 8 to the power of 5. Because our powers are same, I can write times 5 to the power of 5 times 8 to the power of 1. My next step I will write as 8 times 5 to the power of 5. This one here. This one, I've written it this way. Times 8. 8 to the power of 1, it's 8. Any number to the power of 1, it's just that number. 8 times 5, it's 40. 40 to the power of 5 times 8. Yeah, 8 times 5, it's 40 to the power of 5. This 40 here, because it has 0, I can write it as 4 times 10 to the power of 5 times 8. Right? So if we can still use this rule here, a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m times n. So I'm going to write 4 to the power of 5 times 10 to the power of 5 times 8. Yeah, 8 to the power of, let me just write it as 8. 4 and 8, we can write them as 2 to the power of 2, it's 4, times here 5, this power, times 8 to the power of 3, it's 8, times 10 to the power of 5, right? 2 to the power of 2, I can now multiply these powers. So this will be 2 to the power of 10 times 2 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 5. When the bases are the same, you can add the powers. So 2 to the power of 13 times 10 to the power of 5. Okay, wow. So 2 to the power of 13, it's 192. 10 to the power of 5, it's 100,000. So we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100,000. So this is our answer. This is the solution.